Hi, my name's Kimberly from Zeeman Development. Today I'm going to show you how to export your Razor's Edge contacts into a Mailchimp audience using Chimpegration. So first of all, open up Chimpegration in the Razor's Edge from the plugins area. Select Export to an Audience. And then this system will walk you through how to get your contacts into Mailchimp. So first of all, you need to select the audience in Mailchimp you want to export your contacts into. I've got one here called Export Demo. And let's just quickly go and take a look at that. So if we go into our Mailchimp account, we can see that we've got 0 subscribers on this list, so it's currently empty. So we can choose either a query or an export to select our contacts in Razor's Edge. I've got a query ready set up. And if I just open that up, we can add that to here. And I've included all the fields that I want to export into my audience as part of the output of that query. Alternatively, you can choose an export. And if this query contains both constituent and relationship records, we can absolutely work with both of those. We just need to export them separately. So we just choose which we want to export in this process. So the second tab along allows us to add people to specific groups when we add them to our audience. So we can add everyone to this interest group, and if they already exist in that list, we can add to their existing groups, or we can replace their groups if we want to make sure that they only exist in this one. And we can do exactly the same with tags. We can add a tag to these people, we can create a new tag, and we can add to their existing tags or replace the ones they've got. Then we can choose whether to add new emails or add the new emails and update existing values for people who are already subscribed. And then we've also got some options here around duplicate email handling. So on Mailchimp, you can only have one email address for one contact, but on Razor's Edge, you may have people who share an email address. So in the settings, you can define a main contact for an email address, and we'll pull all the merge variables in our query from that record. Or we can say it doesn't matter, just pull it from the first constituent you find with that email address. And then finally, we've got our mapping. So I've got my Razor's Edge query output fields on the left, the Mailchimp merge variables here in the middle, and I just double click to pass those over. In addition to this, if you're working with the Mailchimp GDPR fields, then as the program will recognize that, and you'll have an additional tab here that will allow you to export into the GDPR fields so that you can make sure those are populated and people are subscribed appropriately. So we click on Run. We're going to add 17 records to our list. Let's go back into our audience, and if we refresh this list, we can see that we've added 15 subscribers, we've got the name, we've got the interest group, we've got the constituent ID, all the other fields we mapped, and we've added them the donor tag as well. So that's how easy it is to export your Razor's Edge contacts into Mailchimp using Chimpegration. Thanks for listening.